Welcome to Edulegit Step-by-Step Guide. Learn how to efficiently create and manage documents in Edulegit. From creating a document to checking for plagiarism and readability, this guide will walk you through the essential steps for effective document handling in the platform. Navigate to the Documents section. Initiate the document creation process. Name the document as convenient. Save the document. Open the document you just created. Use the text editor toolbar to format your text as you deem it necessary. Click Screen Rec, Webcam Rec to screen guard vision features. Enabling these options will allow proving your effort and input without using external assistance. Check your written work for plagiarism, AI probability, and readability in the process of writing or after completing your work by clicking on the corresponding drop-down menu. To download your paper to your device, click the arrow down sign. To share your paper, click Share sign in the Information section of the right side document menu bar. Navigate to the Documents section. Click three-dot sign. Access the main dashboard. You can rename the document, change its folder, or delete it. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Edulegit.